if I discuss with somebody in Infosys, they feel that they must go abroad and work. If I ask somebody in government, they will say they want to work in Infosys. That pressure will be there. Government, do you think it is very liberal, no pressure? You have no intention to go abroad. Go abroad for Infosys postings or maybe for MTech or PhD for abroad. You don't like a teaching job. I retired from Space Department as a scientist. I was with the PM's office. I took my retirement because I want to teach and guide youngsters. You are good. It's only that you need a lot of practice. Gate is generally through practice. And don't wait for just gate. You should also write all other competitive exams. See, your passion should be, if research is what you want, you must decide, yeah, I am going to study that. Why do that entrance exam has that importance in doing PhD? Because if you are not a person who can do this, that means even if you go to PhD, you will not be able to finish it. That's why entrance, right? That is true with any. The job also, the interview is conducted, selection procedure is conducted to check whether you are fit there or not. You have proved that you are good in Infosys. That is because Infosys has got too many vacancies. Are you doing something on signal processing now? Is it communication? Is it concept? Is it logical, analytical skill? These are all what generally being asked. See, generally we believe, I have students. I have all the gate books also with me. Huge library with many engineering students will come and sit with me and then learn. Okay. So generally what do I do is I identify where is it lacking. Either you must be able to tell, oh, this part I couldn't do, this part I couldn't do. So you have the syllabus, you can plan, send me the copy, we shall schedule a program and then you start describing it. I will not speak. But you must just tell the whole, read all the syllabus and tell me this is what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. For which probably you rehearsal yourself, oh, this is what it means. You are not able to understand. Look at the dictionary, don't look at the book. English dictionary meaning. When you look at dictionary, you will understand the meaning. Think about it. Assume that when somebody says capacitor. What is capacitor? What is capacity? English word, no? So you know what is capacitor? Resistance. So nobody need to teach you this in physics or technically. These are all English words. There may be some subject which you don't understand. Then, oh, you will be able to connect. This is what it is. Differential calculus. There are one lecture of mine in differential calculus a month back. Just look at it. I am talking about waves, signals and all that. Because if you are good in maths, signal processing is only waves. Signals are only waves. Or you are tensed and then depressed. You are not feeling what you should do, and you are not as bad as many other people in this world, right? Because you have a job. I had students who were in Infosys who wanted to become civil service. I am in Hyderabad, I was in Ahmedabad, I was in Bangalore, I was in Delhi, I was in Cochin, I was in Calicut. I am from Kannur. Tiruvalla also came, Ma Rathanosius College for Advanced Studies. I taught all the teachers, maybe 100 teachers under me for 1 week program. Pushpagiri Medical College, Tiruvalla, Marathonusius, some schools are there. Yeah. Tiruvalla Dr. TPS, you will see me programs on YouTube also. So you must enjoy. Don't just, what is your hobby? You want to become a Sada Sida government employee. Don't be like that, beta. You should be dashing. So which is the last movie you have seen? Eh? Who acted? What is the theme for Sheshan? Where is Kandahar? Kandahar is in Afghanistan. Gandhar Naresh, Shakunida Sthalam. Okay. I also finished watching Shesha. The day it releases, I watch my movies. It is a, you are introducing that it's a movie and all that too. Okay. For last 10 years, every day I used to travel. Maybe 5 days at home, 360 days I travel. But for last 2 years, I have not gone out of my compound one. Therefore, I am in different parts of the world. Just now, before talking to you, I was talking to somebody in, which is that place here? In West Africa. I was talking to somebody in West Africa. I told him your network is not good and I was quitting for you. Liu Sahar, Emmanuel Uganani, Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone. സ്ഥലത്തിന്റെ പേരാണ് Sierra Leone. That is in West Africa. So this is the time when you can connect to anybody in the world, right? You must enjoy. This is the time where you can see movie. Otherwise, you can't stay with your parents like this, no? Correct or not? Don't become, accept the situations. You can see some of my analytical skill, logical reasoning classes. Look at KLH. KL University Hyderabad campus is called KLH. Until last December, I was teaching them campus to corporate. That's a paper name. So how do I do? Most of them are logical reasoning, analytical skill, data analysis, mathematics only. But I will only speak, I will ask somebody. So while listening, keep a paper and pen and then start writing and see how you perform. That is almost equal to any competitive exams. Either GRE or GATE or GMAT, or every questions will have nearly 30-40% same. But if you are not good in that, don't think you are useless. Got it? And having MTech, I think what you should do is, you must look at some of the subjects which you are interested. Any subject of your subject which is interested, keep doing some online programs. Look at Coursera, edX, these sites. Go there and register some and study something fairly. Whichever subject you are not good also, you can pick up, so that you will listen to some nice lectures, you will recollect. You have lost that contact. That's why I am seeing your face. When I am asking something, I heard it but I missed it, sort of a feeling. That shouldn't happen. And you become fresh all the time. So you feel comfortable. Yeah, I am studying something great. Then maybe you can keep applying in any university abroad. Either Germany or... Look at the number of certificates you have. Sometimes these competitive exams are very thorough in India. But in some other country, they don't look for all this. I want to see you in a best position somewhere in some different country probably. Look at those options for higher studies. They will ask you not your marks in your degrees, and they will look at how much interest you have. So how do you prove you have interest? Oh, I did this course, this course, this course, this course. That means you are keep on learning and you are a learner. Then they will catch you and then give you good fellowships. And we will see a lot of Infosys people in, I was there in Columbus. I have seen a lot of Infosys people there. Because a lot of projects are being given. And what do? Some people go there as an Infosys employee, they study parallelly. At least 10 of my nephews, nieces, and all of them who are all in Bangalore are all Infosys people. Either they must have gone to America or maybe in UK for some time. And that's all great experience. But you see a DRDO employee, don't think that it's a great job. I was in Space Department. Not everybody becomes that courageous to come out. I came out of ISRO. But you will also get a small programming job which may not be interested to you. Assume that you are in Department of Space. We are in image processing. I am an image processing man. That's why when you say signal processing, I can catch you there. Right. But not many people get that option too. And I studied fluid mechanics. Radiation is my PhD. So that's also electromagnetic wave. Not everybody can glue to their work very fast. It is not that simple. Wherever you go, you don't get what you want. You will have to do what they want. Got it? And if you don't do very well, your promotions will be delayed. Being in government, if you are too good, you get promotions fast. If you are not good, they will push you down. Both are there. In Infosys, what do is, they will put you into different projects under different people and you are in a group. So pressure will be there most of the time. If you don't take pressure and you are not good, definitely you will be always down. And software is always like that. Software is always like that. And no hardware job in this world without software. I am a mathematician, but I worked in software image processing. No. What is image processing? Software only. Got it? Maybe once you do well for 10 years, you become a leader, then you don't have to do the coding, but you can put somebody else under. But that leadership you should show yourself with a lot of enthusiasm, looking at it. And once you learn now, your higher job becomes easier. If you don't learn now, higher job becomes again difficult. So you should decide whether you want it to be in technical or non-technical. You are already a technical person. That's why most of the people after BTech or MTech jump and get into MBA. Because they are not able to study mathematics. But you are good in maths, Aishwarya. Many people, when I ask this question, they will not be able to even answer 7.2. And the logic is also very good. That's why I found you have no problem. Your problem is not your brain is not working. It is pakka. You have the technical basic skill. What is lacking is mood off. You are not happy. Mood off can be many. I am not just a scientist, I am also a psychotherapist. I have got a lot of children like you. So they will tell, I cannot tell my parents I have a boyfriend what to do now, how to run away. Okay. And I want a change. That is also possible. No, you don't like your parents. You don't like to sit and stay there. It's good enough. 20 years I lived with my parents. Now I want free. When you live in city, you think village is good. I've got an old house. If you have seen my website, you can see Nanam. I also love it because in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, all that is boring. I want to go back to my home. I came to Thiruvananthapuram on Amrita TV as a judge for that what is that Bhagavad Gita competitions for young children were there. So I came as a judge. I also teach Bhagavad Gita. See, life you should have different passion. Movie, driving, Bhagavad Gita, cinema. Now I am arranging something on Vivekananda's. So I am listening to somebody's. I am screening different songs sung by many people. They're also from Kottayam. So I will ask them to sing, and I say, no, it's not good.
Doctor, please excuse us. Let those wonderful kids sing the same.
Understood. So I'll ask somebody to sing. They will sing and send me. I am making young Muslim girls to sing prayers. Who are they? They are singing Muslim songs, no? So I put them into different, because I am arranging a universal brotherhood day by Swami Vivekananda. These girls are from Kannur. The first one was from Kottayam. So I am picking up so many things and then arranging something, enjoying. You should have some passion and then some freak out like this. If physically you cannot freak out now. So emotionally, mentally keep on freaking out, do different things. So that you don't feel bored with only computers, only job, Possibility is that because you are not able to communicate in the frequency in which you are in, and then your surroundings may not be having that frequency, but you have to, always you can connect to somebody else. If technical learning, no problem, you come with that subject. I told you, take the syllabus, come with that subject, discuss, let us finish. Read. See, I've got a lot of passion. I write poetry, lot of different discussions, and many people will come on discussions. I keep on adding some activities. What is required in life is not job, salary alone. You also need some happiness, right? Smile. Then I am sure all family will feel happy. If you are always like this, then they will think something wrong with you. Then they will say, are you not happy in work? Every office is like that. There is a great story of a traffic police was looking at traffic police. What do you see? He's doing like a dance only, right? Lot of signals like that. So he was looking at him from outside. What is that I am doing, always dancing in front of lot of people on the street? It's a waste of time. If I want to go for one also, I cannot go unless substitute come. Correct. So he was seeing a postman going, and he was thinking that postman's job is very good because he can keep on going in different places. Here I am supposed to chat. Then he was looking at the postman and seeing when he was entering in a house, the dog is barking and coming. And somebody was scolding for not delivering on the day. Also, lot of problems. So he keep on thinking on different jobs and find out at the last, what a great job is this, where I can ask somebody to stop. Means they will stop. Is it a powerful job? So he finds out back saying that the best job is traffic police job. I can stop anybody, I can permit somebody to go. So every job has got its own advantage and disadvantage. And you are young. A lot of way to go. Fine. And you are bright, you got a job. Understand, a lot of people who passes BTech and MTech, they don't even get a job, Parallelly, you want to go settle abroad, don't miss that option. Because you are only seeing small portion of the world. You didn't study outside Kerala also, right? Yeah, you should freak out a bit. I thought America is not good. I keep telling my people don't go to America and all that. But having stayed in America for 6 months, 2 terms, the way of life is different. Okay, so do something to get a fellowship to go study abroad. first option. Second option is you could also see what is required for IELTS. You wrote, you got good score, eh? Right. When you prepare for such things, you have to have a lot of certificates saying all these I passed. That's a good credit, you know. You can put a lot of files and then say all this. So you must tell, yeah, I finished all this. That will give some credit. What is good? I know I was also executive director of an engineering college. It's also managed professor in engineering college. We find students don't get a job, they fail in many subjects. Where did you do BTech? IHRD college. See, from IHRD, not many people would have gone for MTech, no? Got it? So you are good. Keep attending some conferences, find out some webinars and then get into such things and then get, oh, what is good there? Is that subject good? Should I have to learn this? The world is like a buffet dinner. Go and taste everything and find out, oh, this is tastier. Let me go to that counter again and eat little more. Okay. So do well, enjoy. Okay. Make moments in life so that tomorrow you can cherish them. Listen to my TEDx lecture. We will know little about Dr. Tippins. Every Sunday 7:30 is my Bhagavad Gita class. Today Saturday 7:30 I have got a Swami Vivekananda's Chicago speech Remembrance Day. So I keep on doing something. So I'm enjoying my retired life. I'm a pensioner. After retirement, I took my retirement. This day in 2014 or 15, I was there in Kottayam. My program was called Destination IAS. How to grab children for civil service. I had 2 programs. Destination IAS, Mission CSAT. So I came to, what is that road you said? Tiruvalla to Kayangulam also I came. SN College Kayangulam. SN School Kayangulam. I must have come to all the colleges in Kerala. Not a single college was left. I was director for academic staff college. Teachers training was my job. 2 years in Kerala. So any college you go, they will know. And this week, I think 18th, I have got something on entrepreneurship in college, one of the colleges here. So I go to many, I don't go now, sitting at home online. Otherwise, I used to travel on design thinking, many engineering colleges, design thinking, entrepreneurship, such programs also include. So don't worry. I have seen a lot of people more desperate in life. Aishwarya is in a good place, good position. So you must enjoy. But happiness should be shown in face. Not like this. Millions of sperm from the father get into the mother's egg. How many sperm take birth? Only one. And that is what Aishwarya is now. How many sperm did not take birth? Millions. Who are they? Your unknown brothers and sisters. So lift your hand, take it back and say, well done, well done. Monday. Yes or no? So getting a birth with no difficulty and living is a great bliss. So there is something being and something is showing. Sometimes we cannot be in the being, but then you practice showing, you will be that after some time. No, മാറി നോക്കൂ, 18 days you try yourself. Then you will feel Infosys is good, I am good, I am able to do well. Got it? Otherwise, most of the people are not happy. I'll tell you. In government, we find most of the people are not happy. My wife is a director in office. Same office where I worked. I left my office. Now I am staying in a quarters. Okay. So she is the director in this office. But I feel I am much more happier than her. Everyday office, some file. There's a board, no? But she's enjoying because she writes poetry, she has got a natural slokam, we see movie, many other things, and children are there, they speak, relatives speak, that's all happiness. So you must know how to spend your time for all that. Okay, so get to your mother, help her, be part of it, learn something which they know. See, and I left my hometown when I was maybe 15 years old, because we don't have college in the neighborhood. I have to go from my village out. So 15, when I was age 15, I left. 40 years, 41 years I am out of my village. Now during this time, what am I doing? On 5th September, Teachers Day, I called all the teachers, 80-year-old teachers. They don't know how to operate Google. So I told some neighbor who may be a youngster, go there, teach my teacher. All of them came on Google Meet and we had 50 people. I arranged it. What a feeling is that I'm going back to my teachers. Right? So just now I said, yeah, America is good, Canada is good, Russia is good, Switzerland is good. My hometown is also good. It's all, you must enjoy every bit of it. I am there, I will enjoy. If I am here, I will enjoy. Create moments. That's what is required.